everybody, I am Hanumaruddin from 4E. My favorite concept in maths is division. Division is the concept of sharing things equally into groups. I like this concept because it teaches children about fairness and compromise so they can make and keep friends. Now I am going to share a poem about division. Each time I want to divide and equally share the things that I have. Two dots and a line will make my mind to avoid mistakes and always be fair. Monkey division for easy remembering. Division steps. Dangerous division. Monkeys multiply. Swipe, subtract. Bananas bring down. If we repeat this process, we can complete a division sum. I like division. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sima Mariam David. Today I am going to tell a few lines about mathematical riddles. A mathematical riddle is a problem which requires mathematics to solve it. Its main purpose is to make a person think. Some advantages of doing mathematical riddles are it encourages critical thinking skills, it improves problem solving skills, it makes maths easier, it gives us a better feeling of the way mathematics works. The great thing about mathematical riddles is that the problem solving skills acquired from a mathematical riddle can be used in a non-mathematical situation. Let's try some riddles. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 550. Draw one straight line to make this equation true. We have two ways. The first way is we can put a straight line here, so it becomes 545 plus 5 equal to 550. Another way is we can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 550, and using one straight line we can strike the equal to. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 not equal to 550. Come on, let's try a tricky question. I add 9 to 5 and get 2. It is correct, but how? When I add 9 a.m. and 5 hours, I get 14, which is equal to 2 p.m. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Pratish Hussain of 4E. Today I am going to tell about one of the most famous mathematicians of ancient India. As we know, our school is celebrating Maths Mania, and we should not forget that maths is everywhere around us. From shapes to scores, there is maths. So who invented zero, the most important part of maths? Yes, you are right. This person is none other than the wise Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a wise and great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in 462 AD in Pataliputra, now present day Patna in Bihar, and died in 550 AD. He composed Aryabhatiya, one of a great work which had algebra, arithmetic, fractions and many other math sums. So let's get inspired by Aryabhatta. Thank you.
Good evening all, my name is Bhargav. I'm from grade 4E. I'm going to say today why I like math. Math is a part of my life. I build problems, I solve problems, I play with numbers. There are many ways to solve a problem, but there is only one answer. But maths are so easy for me. And my favorite mathematician is Aryabhatta, and he only invented zero. And he only told that the earth is circle. Maths numbers are so cool for me, and I love numbers. And my favorite number is 7, and math is good for our brain. And